a report like this, and
Yes.
perhaps the 5-year term of a setting up a restructuring. Mr. Mishra, I do understand you, though, have huge problems with this report.
Actually, during last 10 years, you can say last 15 years, even in the past when NDA government was there, the Rakesh Mohan Committee for railway restructuring was brought in. The
But they wanted
more
full
than
privatization.
60% things which have been said by Dr. Vivek Devaraya Committee is almost the same. This is a cut-paste report of the many reports
Okay.
which in the recent past had been brought. My observation at the outset is that whatsoever report has been given, that may be of the academic interest, but it will not be possible to enforce it or implement it in the practical way because railway is a robust organization.
Or are you saying that the unions are not going to allow it to make it work?
So many things they have said, many places they have their own contradictions in the report. Once they say that it should be implemented in such a way that these private players should be allowed. On the other hand, they say that the regulator should be there. They say that the safety, who will be responsible for the safety? Nobody says that who will be responsible for the safety. So for the foreign railways where the volume of the traffic is less, these all things are possible. But the Indian Railways, which has a 2 crore and 50 lakh passengers every day, 22,000 pairs of the trains every day, such a report, what he has given, I don't think that will be possible. And on the same track, the private player will also have their trains,
own trains,
and the railway will also have their trains. 50% of the traffic route is the have congestion of more than 150%. We are unable to push our trains on the same track. So that is not possible. I believe if Dr. Vivek Devaraya should have said that there should have been for increasing the capacity, augmentation, more connectivity, if somebody, private player should have pushed their money, they have made the track and some structure like that should have been, then that should have been appreciated. But I don't think that this report in the form what he has been given today, that is not going to be implementable.
Can I ask a question of Mr. Mishra?